If you've ever had an electrical issue in your car that just keeps coming back, flickering lights, a dead accessory, random shorts, there's a good chance it's not the wiring, it's the connectors. I've seen people redo entire harnesses when the real problem was cheap connectors that failed after a few weeks. So in this video, I'm breaking down 5 wire connector kits that actually hold up under heat, vibration, and real driving conditions, so you don't waste time chasing electrical gremlins. And real quick, if you're into honest, hands-on automotive reviews, hit subscribe. I've put the best deals for all these kits in the description, and if you're working on a specific car or project, drop it in the comments. I'll tell you exactly what I'd use in your situation. Starting at number 5, the Qibaok 1500-piece wire connector kit. This is one of those bulk kits that looks almost too good for the price, but it actually covers a lot of ground. You get a mix of butt connectors, ring terminals, spade connectors, all color-coded and organized. The insulation is standard PVC, not heat shrink, so it's more about convenience and volume than sealing. Wire gauge compatibility is decent, covering most common automotive wiring sizes, and it comes in a plastic case that keeps everything sorted. Now here's the deal. This is a solid starter kit, or something you keep in the garage for quick fixes. I've used sets like this for interior wiring, speaker installs, and basic repairs where moisture isn't a big concern. It's easy to work with, no special tools beyond a crimper. But this is what most people don't realize. PVC connectors don't seal out water, so under the hood or under the car, they won't last nearly as long as heat shrink options. The drawback is simple, not ideal for exposed or high moisture environments. At number 4, the Oiojuct 600-piece heat shrink wire connectors kit. Now we're stepping into a different level of reliability. These are heat shrink connectors with adhesive lining, which means when you apply heat, they shrink down and seal around the wire. You get a good variety here too, butt connectors, rings, forks, and the tubing is thick enough to create a solid seal without tearing. The color coding is standard, so you can match wire gauges quickly without guessing. After using these, the difference is obvious compared to basic connectors. Once you heat them properly, they lock in tight and resist pulling apart. I've used these in engine bay repairs and trailer wiring, and they hold up well against moisture and vibration. This is what most people don't think about. Your car is constantly shaking, heating up, cooling down. Cheap connectors fail because they can't handle that cycle. These do a much better job. The only downside is you need a heat source, and if you rush the process, you won't get a proper seal. Now at number 3, the Kuject Ultimate Heat Shrink Wire Connectors. This is where quality starts to feel more consistent across the board. The connectors themselves use thicker copper cores, which improves conductivity and gives you a more secure crimp. The heat shrink tubing is dual wall with adhesive, so you're getting both mechanical strength and environmental sealing. The kit is well organized, and the selection feels more balanced toward common automotive use rather than just bulk filler pieces. Here's where this really stands out: reliability over time. I've used these on projects where I didn't want to come back and redo anything, like lighting upgrades and accessory installs. Once these are crimped and shrunk, they feel solid. No wiggle, no loose connections. After using this, you start to notice how inconsistent cheaper kits can be. These are a great middle ground for DIYers who want professional-level results without overpaying. The drawback? Slightly pricier than entry-level kits, but you're paying for consistency. At number 2, the Wirefy Heat Shrink Wire Connectors Kit. This one is a favorite among a lot of mechanics and DIY builders for a reason. The connectors use high-quality tinned copper, which resists corrosion better than standard copper. The heat shrink tubing is thick, with a strong adhesive lining that creates a waterproof seal when heated. The kit itself is well thought out. You're not getting a bunch of random sizes you'll never use. It's focused on the connectors you actually need for automotive work. This is what most people don't realize. Good connectors aren't just about holding wires together, they're about maintaining a clean electrical path. I've used Wirefy connectors on long-term installs, and they hold up. No corrosion, no loose crimps, no intermittent issues. Installation is straightforward if you've got a decent crimping tool and heat gun, and the results feel close to professional grade. Compared to cheaper kits, this is a noticeable upgrade in both build and performance. The only drawback is the kit size isn't massive, so heavy users might run through it quicker. And finally, at number 1, the Haisstronica 520-piece marine-grade heat-shrink wire connectors kit. This is the one I reach for when I don't want to think twice about the connection. These are marine-grade, which means they're built for the harshest conditions: water, salt, extreme temperatures. The connectors use thick-tinned copper barrels, and the heat-shrink tubing has a strong adhesive lining that fully seals the connection when heated. You also get a solid variety of connector types, all organized in a durable case. Here's where this really stands out: durability under real-world abuse. I've used these in engine bays, undercarriage wiring, even on vehicles that see rough conditions, and they just hold. No corrosion creeping in, no connectors backing out. After using this, the difference is obvious. This is the kind of kit you use when you don't want to redo the job in 6 months. It's perfect for serious DIYers, off-road builds, or anyone dealing with moisture-heavy environments. The drawback? It's the most expensive on this list, but it earns that price in reliability. So here's how I'd break it down. If you just need a large, budget-friendly kit for light-duty or interior work, number 5 will get the job done. If you're stepping into heat-shrink connectors and want better sealing, number 4 is a solid upgrade. For consistent quality and stronger crimps, number 3 is where things start to feel more professional. If you want a trusted, high-quality kit for regular automotive work, number 2 is a safe bet. But if you want the best overall durability and long-term reliability, especially in tough conditions, number 1 is the one I'd go with. All the links with the latest prices are in the description, so check those out before they change. If this helped you avoid a bad buy, hit subscribe for more real-world automotive reviews and drop a comment with your project. I'll help you choose the right setup so you only do the job once.